dear students, myself Reena Charwal from Shri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. Today I discuss about the De Morgan theorem numerical. So let us start. In last class we discussed about the theorem of De Morgan, in which it states that break the line over the bar and change the sign of the operator. So these are the theorems of Boolean and De Morgan. That is, Boolean algebra theorems are there. That is, x dot 0 is equals to 0, x dot 1 is equals to x dot x is equals to x dot x bar is equals to 0, x plus 0 is equals to x plus 1 is equals to 1, x plus x is equals to x plus x bar is also equals to 1, and the last and most important theorem is that x double bar is always equals to x. Now this is the law of Boolean algebra, that is commutative law, associative law, distributive law, consonance theorem and De Morgan theorem. So we discuss about the De Morgan theorem. In De Morgan theorem, break the line over the bar and change the sign from dot to plus and plus to dot. So next slide we discuss about De Morgan theorem examples. So here the question, that is, simplify the Boolean expression and not the Boolean or De Morgan theorem used at each step. Put the answer in sum of product form. So this is the question, that is, f1 is equals to x dot y bar whole bar dot y bar plus z and completely bar on the condition. So apply the theorem. First of all, break the line and change the sign. So here we break the line. After breaking the line, the dot operator converted into plus operator, that is this. So after breaking the line, dot is converted into plus. So in next, the double bar is cancel out to each other because x double bar is always equals to x. So here double bar is cancel out. So x dot y bar is obtained plus. In this, break the line, change the sign. So this line is break. So plus operator is converted into dot operator. So the condition that arises, that is y double bar dot z bar. So double bar cancel out. So y double bar is equivalent to y. So this is the output format of the question. So next, example number 2. In this example, a logical diagram is present. So first of all, we discuss about the logical diagram. So here it is represent the inputs, that is x, y and z. First of all, we introduce about the xy input. So in xy input, it is applied to AND gate, that is this. In AND gate, it perform the multiplication operator, so output is xy. After that, this xy is applied to inverter. Inverter is convert the input as an bar, and we can say that it invert the input. So output is xy bar. In z input is applied to OR gate, and x input is inverted then applied to OR gate. After that, in OR gate it perform the addition operator, so output is x bar plus z. After producing output, these output is applied to AND gate performing dot operator, so it is obtained this, and then it passes through the inverter, so output is this. So in next slide we saw a question, that is f2 is equals to x bar plus z bracket closed, introduce a new bracket xy bar bracket closed and whole bar. So again break the line, change the sign. So break the line, so dot operator is converted into plus operator, and then after that performing the each question, each algebra to in this question and solve out this. So we obtain this output. Example number third. In example number third, we see the quotient, that is a plus bc bar plus ab bar whole bar and completed bar on the quotient. So break the line and change the sign. So break the line from here and change the sign from plus operator to dot operator. So this will be a obtained function. Now again double bar cancel out to, so a double bar is equals to a because it is the identity of function. Then ab bar is obtained. Now this function is solved through distributive property, and after that we obtain the output as ab bar. So this is the De Morgan theorem. Thank you.